At 8:02 now, the penalty phase begins today in the Lynn Turner murder trial. On Saturday, jurors found Turner guilty in the antifreeze poisoning of her boyfriend, Randy Thompson.
Prosecutors will ask that same jury to sentence her to death. Fox 5's Mark Teichner is live with that story. Good morning, Mark.
Well, good morning, Suchitha. It only took 5 hours to find Turner guilty. Now, jurors will have to decide whether she should pay with her life.
We, the jury, found the defendant guilty.
2 days after finding Lynn Turner guilty of murder, jurors will return today to decide if the former 911 operator should die. The death penalty phase will begin in the case involving the killing of Randy Thompson. He was the father of Turner's children.
I would be saddened if the jury gives her the death penalty.
Prosecutors say Turner poisoned the Forsyth County firefighter with antifreeze, hoping to get her hands on his life insurance policy.
Our families are scarred forever. Our grandchildren have lost their father, and now they've lost their mother. And it appears, according to the evidence, all for money. And it's a sad, sad thing.
Thompson's father calls the verdict justice and vindication for Randy's reputation.
After all these years of hearing that he was an emotionally disturbed person that committed suicide and drank ethylene glycol, finally the evidence proved that they were wrong.
In 2004, Turner was convicted of the poisoning murder of her husband, Glenn, again with antifreeze being the weapon. She didn't take the stand in either trial, nor did she show any emotion when the Saturday verdict was read.
In the back with her a moment ago, sitting down with her, just she and Jim and myself. She's very emotional, very upset, very concerned about her children, very concerned about her family.
Besides the death penalty, jurors could also recommend life without parole or life with parole. Turner's sentence for murdering her husband, Glenn, did in fact include the possibility of parole.